What is the sum of the measures of the angles of the following? So remember, the sum of the measure of the angles is equal to number of side minus 2 times 180 degrees. So now we will solve for letter A. So octagon, we have side number of side 8. So we have 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So the sum of the measures of the angles is equal to 1080 degrees. And letter B, so we have pentagon, that's 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So this gives us 540. So this is the total sum of the angles for the pentagon. And letter C, if we have 12 sides, 12 gone, so we have 12 minus 2 times 180 degrees. This gives us 1800 degrees. So these are the sum of the measures of the angles for each number of side, octagon, pentagon, and the 12 gone or 12 sides pentagon, 12 sides polygon.